Hey friends, I want to show you a super healthy, easy, and delicious salad that's similar to tuna, but it's made with canned salmon. Y'all, canned salmon is absolutely delicious if you fix it the right way. I like Bumble Bee, and there's also Planet Tuna. And this is what I'm going to use today. This is the least expensive, and it's readily available in most grocery stores. Now, I want to start by showing you the first thing you do. You want to drain your salmon because it has the juice, the oily juice, and maybe that's a little water. And I save this because this is excellent to put over your dog's food, and they love it. It makes it taste like they're eating salmon, and it helps their coat be super soft. Now, I'm going to put the salmon in the bowl, and I want y'all to notice that there are some little bones in the salmon, and those are edible. They're very soft, and I'm just going to break this apart. Here's one of the bones. Some people like to remove them, but see, you can just crush them, and I keep them, but you don't have to. Okay, so I'm just going to break up the salmon and just do it like that. And then the next thing is, before you start adding everything, you want to season your salmon. Now, lemon goes well with seafood, of course, so I always use lemon pepper seasoning for tuna and salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and spread some of that. And then I'm going to put a little kosher salt, but not too much because salmon is already a little salty. Now, I'm going to stir this up where the lemon pepper will coat these pieces of these chunks of salmon. And now what I'm going to do is make the dressing. Now, I am making one that's a little bit healthier. I'm doing half mayo, half Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. So I did about 2 tablespoons of each, and y'all, this is really yummy, but it has half the fat. This is Fage, and I believe it's 2% fat. I don't like to get non-fat anything because I think fat adds flavor. So you're going to stir those together. And then this is Wickles relish. So I'm going to add, that's the spicy relish that I love and that I put in my tuna salad. And that's about a tablespoon. This is dill relish. Dill goes really well with fish. So instead of chopping fresh dill, I'm just putting dill relish. So you're getting the crunch as well as the dill. Okay, I am going to put, this is probably a half a teaspoon. I'm going to put a little plain mustard. And then I'm going to put just a little Dijon mustard because I just think those make the sauce really good. So I'm going to mix this together. I always like to mix my dressing or my sauce together before I put it on the tuna or the salmon because then it's already blended and it will be more uniform. Okay, so we have the dressing, and I'm going to go ahead and pour, this is about a stalk of celery chopped, and that's a little bit of red onion, purple onion. That gives crunch and freshness. And now I'm going to add the dressing. And I'm loving my spatula because I do a lot of this kind of small dressings. I'll link to this spatula. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so we have all of this. And now all I'm going to do is mix. And I will say that I served this to my family once, and they thought it was tuna. This is not overly salmony. It's just a very mild canned fish. And you can tell by the appearance because it's more red than tuna. But honestly, I think that I prefer this salmon salad to the tuna. It just has fabulous flavor. I recommend making this about an hour or 2 before you plan to serve it, where the flavors can meld and you can chill it, and you can serve this over lettuce cups. You can serve this with crackers on a sandwich or by itself. I hope you'll give this a try. It's really budget savvy, easy, and delicious, and I Thank you for watching, and you have a fabulous day.